We guide you through how to swipe or go back on any iPhone. So the first thing you need to do if you're using a newer iPhone without a home button like iPhone X and above, simply swipe from the left edge of your screen towards the right to go back to the previous page or screen. This works in most apps like Safari, Settings, and Messages. Just make sure you start your swipe right at the edge of the screen for it to register properly. If it doesn't work, try a slower or more deliberate swipe. Now, if you're inside the apps like Photos or Menus, the same features applies and will take you back instantly. For iPhones with a home button like iPhone 8 or earlier, you can still swipe back in supported apps, but you can also tap the back button usually located at the top left corner of the screen. If you want to switch between apps instead of going back, swipe up from the bottom and pause to open the app switcher. Then swipe left or right to navigate. Mastering this simple gesture will make your iPhone experience much faster and smoother. So practice the edge swipe and you'll be navigating like a pro in no time.